AI, or artificial intelligence, and real estate can be a powerful combination. This past summer, I have really been a part of some amazing educational opportunities in business on large scale and also specifically to real estate to learn new strategies and implementations for our Nix Team clients so that both on the buying side and the selling side, we are able to embrace technology at its purest form to be able to serve you well. Coincidentally, Coldwell Banker has also made a significant investment in artificial intelligence for our marketing platforms and in various back office methodologies to be able to help us lead a very productive and forward thinking way of doing business. And so all of those things are really important for us to share. AI can also be helpful whenever you use it for tracking your shopping tendencies or your preferences. There are, though, some instances where it is not helpful and where you really need human interaction. I'll share a story as an example. People that know me know that I've been battling Facebook for about 6 weeks now because at first I was hacked on our Danny Carla Nix account while I was on a trip, and then they suspended that account for non-compliant community standards activities. Now, anybody that's ever followed me knows I post nature pictures, listings obviously, and positive things about our involvement in the community here at the Nix Team in Southwest Florida. But that's neither here nor there. There's not a person you can actually talk to. They rely on AI to be able to determine if you are who you say you are. So I fought it, got the account back, changed my profile picture, and then I got shut down indefinitely for impersonating a politician. Fast forward, you all know that's hilarious. Fast forward, then I was able to get coached by my Instagram support team to get a new account in just my name. So Danny and I didn't have an account together anymore because that was the problem for being shut down. And then now that account just got shut down too because they associated it with me theoretically impersonating a politician. I mean, you just can't make this stuff up. And so the point of this story is that while AI is fantastic in many implementations, it will never replace the power of the human mind and human involvement in business and in personal life. You know, AI is great, but it's not a brain and it doesn't have the ability to receive information in real time, assimilate the big picture, and make it make sense. And so I wanted to share the story so you knew about that, number one. Thankfully, you can always follow me and the Nix Team on Instagram, on YouTube. We do have our Nix Team Facebook page still, so all of that's still great. Of course, you can subscribe to our newsletter. You send us an email if you don't get it already at nixteaminfo@gmail.com, because what we try to use social media for is for good, and we want to be sharing with you in today's world something called infotainment. So obviously we're entertaining. We share beautiful houses and properties and gorgeous views of Southwest Florida, but also we really seek to be your real estate resource for various topics, tax abatement, and being able to help you shelter things like, for example, through a 1031 exchange, how to file for homestead, updates on interest rates, and other relevant and important factors in your real estate journey. So definitely give us a follow on those other platforms, but also know that at the end of the day, our team of humans is here to serve you well in person. And so we love to meet with you here in our beautiful office, which is where I am right now, or at your lovely home, or anywhere really in our community that we can be of assistance to you. So give us a call today at 941-225-4663. We love matching people and property in Southwest Florida and being your real estate resource.